Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change border color in Google Docs. So get it started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, then you can see. Then we show the is border color and click click for the edit menu option. It's waiting and click for the border option and going to the border color option. Then in choose color and click for the save and close option. That's okay. Then we show the change border color in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.